Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to your mathematics classroom. I am Estimator Adetunji, your mathematics tutor. To our returning viewers, welcome back to your classroom. To our new viewers, please do well to press the subscribe button, press the like and share button, and put your comment in the comment box. As we have all known that in our mathematics classroom, what we do is that the learners and likewise our tutor, we do things together, we solve questions together. So by now, bring out your book, bring out your pen as we do it together. Today, we have a topic before us that's talking about whole numbers. Before we talk about what are whole numbers, let's quickly check this within a few seconds. The numbers on the board. We have 7.2. We have 8 whole number 1 over 3. We have 4 over 5. We have 0.5. We have 7. We have 8.0. We have 0.89. We have 1.00. We have 2. And we have 1 over 2. All these are figures, but the question there is, out of all these figures we have here, out of all these figures you are seeing on the board, circle the whole number and put your answer in the comment box. I'm waiting. Alright, I've started seeing the response in the comment box. Before I will say you are right or you are wrong, the first question that we ask you is, what are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? When we say whole numbers, what do we mean? What are whole numbers? I'm glad to tell you that when you talk about whole numbers are the numbers without fractions or decimal points. I repeat, whole numbers are numbers without fractions and decimal points. Like I said whole numbers are numbers without decimal points or fractions. I know from this definition now you will know what your answer will be. Those of us that we have gotten it right will know, and likewise those of us that we have missed one or two things will know. So now that we have known that whole numbers are numbers without decimal points, the next thing will now be, what are the key facts about whole numbers? What are those things we need to know about whole number? Before we go to those skills or those facts we need to know about whole numbers, since we have said whole numbers are numbers without decimal point, the next thing will now be, what are the examples of whole numbers? I'm very glad to tell you that the examples of whole numbers, start from 0 to infinity. The examples of whole numbers start from 0, that is from 0, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. These are whole numbers. These are whole numbers. That is, whole numbers are the numbers that start from 0 till infinity. But remember, there must not be decimal point, and likewise, there must not be fraction. So from there, we can know what the answer will be there. Now let's talk about what are the key facts to know about whole numbers. What are the key facts about whole numbers? Number 1, they are always non-negative. They are always non-negative. Number 1, they are always non-negative. What do I mean by they are non-negative? That is, they are always non-negative numbers. They are always non-negative numbers. What do I mean? That is, they are numbers without minus. That is, all your -1, -2 downward, they are never whole numbers. Whole numbers are always positive numbers. Always positive numbers. Positive numbers without decimal point, without fraction. Starting from 0 till the end, 100, 1000, 1,000,000, 1000, whatever, all those numbers are whole numbers. So what am I saying? I said they are always non-negative number. So number 2, the definition, we can bring that key fact number 2, that is, they are what? They do not have fractions. They do not have fractions. They do not have fractions or decimal numbers. They do not have fractions or decimal numbers. Or they do not have fractions or decimal numbers. And number 3, this whole number belongs to the big families of numbers that we call integers. That is, when you talk about whole numbers belongs to the family of integers. Whole numbers belongs to the family of integers. Whole numbers belong to the family of integers. You know what we mean by integers? Family of integers. What do we mean by integers? For those of you that you have not watched our videos on integers, please do wait to watch our videos on integers. When you talk about integers, we are talking about the group of numbers. It can be negative, it can be 0, it can also be a positive number. That is, when you talk about integers contains the negative numbers, it contains the 0 itself, and likewise it contains what? The positive numbers. Since we are talking about the positive number part, the positive side of the number is what we can refer to as whole numbers. So these are the key facts about whole numbers. Number 1, we said they are always non-negative numbers. That is, when you talk about whole numbers, they must not have negative. They must not have negative sign. Number 2, they do not have fractions or decimal numbers. And number 3, whole numbers belong what? To the family of integers. Now, back to the question we started with. Now, what are the whole numbers here? Can we circle the whole numbers here? Let's circle the whole numbers. Now, we can see this one has points. It's not whole number. It's not whole number. It's not whole number. It's not whole number. Now, we pick the first one. Our first whole number. This one has points. Truly, 8.0 and 8, they have the same value. But because 8.0 has contained decimal points, remember the definition said there must not be decimal points. That's the reason why this 8.0 is no more whole number. That is, now it becomes what? A decimal number. So we move forward. 0.89 is not a whole number. 1.00, I believe what happened here has happened here. Now we are here 2 whole number, and we have 1/2, which is not whole number. Then note that out of all these items we have here, only 7 and 2 are the whole numbers, and that is how we answer that question. For those of us that we got it right in the comment box, I think we can see the reason why we got it right. And those of us that we have missed 1 or 2 things, now let's do the needful. Please do well to always follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share, and put your comment in the comment box. Likewise, these answers must be put in the comment box and I reply you. Now that we have done the class, let's now do our class entertainment. These are the questions we have as our class entertainment for this topic. The question 1 said, which of these is a whole number? Option A, 4.5. Option B, 7. Option C, -2. Option D, 0.25. Question 2. Which of these is a decimal number? Which of these is a decimal number? Option A, 3. Option B, 9. Option C, 2.5. Option D, 12. And the last question for today. Whole numbers do not include option A, do not include option A, 0. Option B, fractions. Option C, positive integers. Option D, counting number. These are the questions we have for the class entertainment, and I will be waiting for your answers in the comment box. Please do it very well. Go through it again and put your answer in the comment box. I'll be waiting for you in the next video as we continue in this new academic section. Bye.